Welcome to your day 4. This is going to be your 14-day curves in all the right places. I absolutely love this workout because we're going to be fixing your posture, therefore also going to be exuding more confidence out of yourself. Now do remember that all of your workouts are going to be in your PDF below. So you can always refer to that, and then I'll be showing you the demo videos on how to do every single exercise with modifications. Here we go! Hey, let's go ahead and start it with today's workout. We're going to need 2 things for our workout for today. So let me go ahead and show you those 2 things and also some things that you can use instead if you don't have those 2 things. So the first one is we're going to need a pair of dumbbells. If you don't have dumbbells, then go ahead and get creative and grab some cans. Now, if you don't have some cans or if these are too light for you, go ahead and get creative with a water bottle. Then next, the second thing that we're going to need for today's workout is a booty band. If you do not have a booty band, go ahead and just grab a resistance band. If you don't have a resistance band, a towel will work just fine. So let's get started. So let's go ahead and start our warm-up for today's workout. We're gonna go ahead and get our upper body all nice and warm with these different moves. So let's go ahead and focus in on our core and our upper body. The first one we're gonna focus on is cat-cow. You may or may not have done this one before, but if you have not, let me go ahead and show you a few things. The first thing is you wanna make sure that your wrists are right underneath your shoulders and your knees are right underneath your hips. From here, you always do wanna make sure that your spine is nice in alignment with your head, so no arching too crazy up or too crazy down. So we're gonna go ahead and just focus on our belly button like a string is pulling us up towards the ceiling. And then after that, rotate and just push the belly button like a string is pulling the belly button down. Again, going back and forth, really focus on loosening up every part of the spine and everything into the core, and focus on your breathing here. Beautiful. So for a total of 1 minute, that will be your first warm-up. After that, we're gonna go into what's a downward dog into a plank. So you're gonna go ahead and pop up onto your toes and you're gonna just press your head down. So try to keep a nice good line from your hands all the way to your rear, and then from your rear all the way down to your feet. So you're like an upside down V is what you wanna look like. So if you're like this, go ahead and just push everything back. And then from here, we're gonna go into a plank. So then you're just gonna rotate into a plank and then back into your downward dog. And we have a total of 1 minute where you're gonna focus on keeping your shoulders nice and down, not to your ears. You're gonna push them away from your ears and really focusing on that belly button again. Great work. So go ahead and do 1 minute of each one of those, and now we'll get started into our workout. All right, so our first exercise is called our dumbbell wide row. You can go ahead and do this either on a mat, or you could do it on a bench, or you can do it on a chair, all right? So let me go ahead and show you. Well, if we're on the ground, again, we're gonna make sure that we're in alignment with our hands under our shoulders, knees underneath our hips. And from here, we're going to bring our arm out to a 90-degree angle. So let me go ahead and switch so you can see. We're gonna go ahead and go up here, 90 degree, and back down. Up and back down. Now, if I wanted to go ahead and bring it up to a chair or something, even just onto my knee, same thing, here and back down. So we have a total of 20 reps on this side and then 20 reps on the other side. Again, your focus and muscle is going to be your rear deltoids. So I want you to focus on the back of your shoulder, squeezing with your elbow nice in alignment, your elbows going straight up to the ceiling and then back down. Awesome. So 20 on each side. And then the next one will be 20 seconds of alternating bird dog. So this one is going to be opposite leg, opposite arm, nice good squeeze, and back down. Other side, and switch. You're gonna do a total of 20 seconds of this until we go into our next workout. All right, and our next exercise is going to be our lateral side raises. So same thing as last time. I personally like it right here, but you can do it on the ground as well. So what we're gonna do is just focus on keeping a nice slight bend in your elbow. And what you're gonna do is you're just going to, again, focus on that rear deltoid, squeeze up, and then bring it back down. Again, this is not like a really flying fast motion. This is a very nice good squeeze. You're gonna go in line with your shoulder. You're not gonna go clear up over your head or anything like that. And then back down. Nice good squeeze through the back and back down. So you have a total of 20 reps on this side and then 20 reps on the other arm. And then for 20 seconds, we're gonna go ahead and go into a down dog hold. So I'm gonna have you just bring the crown of your head down to the mat, and you can just hold for 20 seconds, get a good nice shake right there, because you are gonna feel your shoulders burning. Now, if you need a modification, just drop down to your knees, do the same thing, or you can do it against a wall, is totally fine as well. And this is what it looks like in the front. For 20 seconds. Our next exercises are going to be towel or band pull downs. So you're just going to bring your hands above your head, and then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna pull against that band, and you're just gonna bring it down and squeeze up. Now here's the thing, is you wanna really focus on which muscles you're working here, otherwise you have no idea what you're doing. So the muscles that I want you to focus on are your lats. So this is gonna be into your back a little bit here. So what again I want you to focus on is bring your chest up, drop your shoulders down into your lats, and then squeeze those lats down as you're pulling that band apart, and then back up. So you can do the same thing with the band. All right, so this is a different angle so you can see. And this will be again for 20 reps. Again, every time you do any of these workouts, I want you to have that mind-body connection with your muscles, making sure that you're really focusing on which muscles that I'm pointing to so that you know that you're doing the right workout and that you know that you're having the right focus onto where you're supposed to be feeling your workout. Cool. And the last part of your workout today is going to be 20-second band pull apart right after pull downs. So you can go ahead and grab your band or your towel, and then what you're gonna do is you're just going to be squeezing back again, so you're focusing on drawing your shoulder blades towards your spine. So just squeezing, your hands are in front of your chest, and you're really just pulling those shoulder blades back, and you have a total of 20 seconds. After you do this, you're gonna go ahead and repeat this entire workout 3 rounds. If you're a beginner, go ahead and do 2 rounds. And now let's go into your cool down. Always do keep in mind that your entire workout is going to be in your PDF that you can print out and also in your email. So always stay tuned for what is in the content below, so that way you know exactly which reps and sets and all that. So now go ahead into a cool down with me, a nice good stretch. I call it the hitchhiker stretch. So you can go ahead and either do this standing or sitting, it's totally fine. Go ahead and just bring your thumbs up like you're a hitchhiker, right? You're gonna go ahead and just open your arms up, and you're just gonna bring them back as far back as you possibly can. From here, what I want you to do is rotate those thumbs behind you, so you get a good nice stretch through your biceps and also your shoulders. From there, you're gonna bring it forward, bring your thumbs down. You're gonna do the exact same thing, and this time focus on drawing your thumbs behind you and try to go up with them. From there, again, you're gonna nice good stretch through the shoulders there. Another good stretch here for the shoulders, you can go ahead and just drop your shoulder down, bring the arm across your body right here, and just get a good nice stretch as you're just pulling through the arm towards your chest, and then go ahead and flip to the other side. Again, taking really good nice deep breaths through these stretches, allowing about 30 seconds of each one of these would be really good. And then another good one is interlacing your fingers together. Go ahead and just place it, turn your hands away from you, and just rotate everything forward, so you can just kind of start arching forward, as you can see on this side. Again, a good, nice, slow, deep breaths. I'm going a little fast because I'm trying to get all of these workouts in that you guys can see. Take you guys through this 14-day challenge, and then what I want you to do to end is go ahead and bring those arms up and over your head and feel that good, nice stretch as you're trying to bring those arms back away from your ears and really pulling them behind you. Nice, good stretch. Make sure that you click the link below that you're able to get access into our private Facebook community on this specific day, so that way you're able to say, yay, I completed today's workout, or hey, I need some help with it. Either way, you can either be there to support others as well as you're sharing your thoughts on today's workout. I'll be there, my team will be there, we're all gonna be there to help and support you while you're there to help and support us back. So great work. I'm excited to see you on tomorrow's email, day 5, that I'm gonna be taking you through a ballet inner thigh workout. Yes, girl, ballet inner thigh workout where I'm ready to sculpt those inner thighs and get you some nice lean and long legs. 80% of your results are actually in the kitchen. And so that's why I want to make sure that you get the best out of your 14-day Curves in All the Right Places challenge by actually getting your 14-day meal plan as well. So Danita, what exactly is this 14-day meal plan? Well, girl, I got you. First and foremost, you're going to get a daily journal that's going to show you exactly what your day should look like. Next is going to be a starter challenge. So this is going to be every single day a little challenge that's going to tell you what to do that day. Very basic, very simple. It's going to be great to follow. And I've had so many girls say, Danita, thank you so much for showing me this challenge. It made it so easy to cut bad habits. The next one is a bikini body meal plan that I'll be giving you in this. Next is awesome recipes that you'll be able to do really quick. They're delicious and they're fun. Next is a guide to either tone and slim or enhance and grow. So we all don't have the same goals. Some of us want to slim down and some of us wants to enhance and build some curves, and I'll teach you just that in this. And then the last one is a meal breakdown. So there's a lot of confusion as to what to eat in the morning, what to eat at night, all this blah blah blah, mythbusters here or there, don't do this, don't do that. I'm going to break it down for you and show you exactly what to eat in the morning versus what to eat at night. So that way you'll be putting curves in all the right places and you'll be able to follow along this challenge with your workout challenge.